What is up, guys? Today we're going to create a simple app that is going to take advantage of the built-in photo camera of the iPhone, and we're going to use it by simply clicking a button in the app, and then the photo camera will pop up and we will be able to take a picture. And once we are finished taking the picture, it will automatically save it to the hard drive of the iPhone and display it. Once the photo camera has disappeared, it will display it on the screen in a UI image view. So first of all, I already created a single view project and opened up the ViewController.h. The first thing we need to do is to implement the UIImagePickerControllerDelegate and the UIImagePickerControllerDelegate. And then we're going to add curly braces and create our IB outlet for our image view. Outlet UI image view, my image view, very simple name. And then we're going to create one for the UI image picker controller and name it simply picker. You can name it whatever you want, and a variable for the image itself. Once you've done that, you can head over to the main storyboard and add a toolbar. If I can find it, there it is, and simply rename this item to take photo. Then go to the split screen view and go to the ViewController.h and simply control drag click this here, change it to action and name the action however you want. I'll name it take photo, and as you can see, it automatically created or implemented this method in the .m file. Now we can write our custom code in here, but first we will have to go into here and add another UI image view for our view, or not for our view, for our image, because we want to display it. And then we can simply go to the view controller and connect our outlet that we just created to this image view. And that should be good now. So now let's head over to the ViewController.m and start coding our method here, take photo. Oh, let me just take away this alert. And now we can create our picker that we just initialized in the header file. We can write picker equals UI image picker controller and a lock initted. Very simple. Then we're going to declare the picker.delegate to this same class, because we just declared it in the .h file that this is the delegate. And then we're going to say picker set source type UI image controller source type camera, and close this. So this says simply that if you click on the button, the picker will get the source from the camera. So basically it will open up the camera. And to give the command to open up this separate view for the photo camera, you need to present another view controller, which in our case would be our picker. And we want it to be animated and for completion you can simply put null in here. Okay, that's it for our take photo function. That will be executed when we hit our take photo button in the toolbar. And now we still need two other methods. We need the ImagePickerControllerDelegate. You only have this method if you implemented the delegate or set the delegate to this class. And we can use the UI image that we declared in our .h file now. We can use the parameter info object for key, this one. And now I never know this by heart, so I need to copy this myself. Can simply put this in here, and then let me just take a quick look. I'll be right back. Alright, had to go check something. I'm never entirely sure myself about this. My image view, set image, very simple. This will simply set the image that we just got from the picker to the image view. And then if you want to save this to the photo album as well, basically if the picker goes away, the image picker or the photo camera view goes away, you will want to save this photo to the album. And you can do this simply by using this command, write image write to saved photos album. And we're going to use our image, and for all of the other parameters you can simply put in nil. This will work just fine. Then simply close it. Okay, then we want to dismiss the view controller. Yes, and again null, just like before. Okay, now we need to declare another function. If we cancelled our image picker, what we want to do then, this is the ImagePickerControllerDelegate method, and we will simply dismiss our view, just like before. Yes, no. Okay, so that's it basically. We can now go into the storyboard, simply check if everything is alright, and then we will have to make sure that this is set to my device that I actually just plugged into my computer, because otherwise it didn't work. I already tested it, and it will give you an error message saying that the source type is unavailable. So you need to test this on an actual device. I've just plugged in my iPhone 6 and selected it here, so you'll just have to select that and then click run. It will export the app to your phone and then open it up. And I don't know, I can see it right now on my phone and this work, but I don't think you can see it. No, you can't. You just have to trust me that it does actually work. Once you open up the photo camera, it will ask you if you want to grant access, to the app to use the photo camera, and once you say okay, it will actually let you take the photo. And yeah, it just works fine for me at least. And then in the second time you will be asked if you want to grant access to the photo library, and you will also have to click OK, and then it will be saved to your library. So basically that's it. And if you have any problems, just comment down below and I'll try to help you as good as I can. And otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.